Good morning, guys. It's Tillman with the Landscape Company. Today's project is out with the old and in with the new. We got 2 ginkgos on the trailer over there, and we got to take this old dead Japanese maple out. We're going to show you what you got to do to knock this one out of the park today. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more. This Japanese maple unfortunately didn't survive. So the first step is removing it safely and cleanly. We removed it, cleared the debris, and made sure that the root zone is clean so the new trees have the space they need. Taking out a dead tree is just as important as installing a healthy one. Good prep always leads to a long-term success. Now we're pulling the ginkgos off the trailer. These came in great condition, and as always, we transport them securely so no roots or branches get damaged. Ginkgos are incredible, long-living trees, so handling them with care during this stage is very key. With the trees on site, it's time to prep the planting holes. We size each hole correctly, wide, not deep, to make sure the roots can spread easily. A well-prepped hole sets the foundation for healthy growth. Here we're setting each tree into place and mixing peat moss into the native soil. Peat moss helps with moisture retention and gives those new roots something soft and nutritious to grow through. We always make sure the tree sits slightly high, never low, so water drains away from the trunk instead of pulling around it. After the trees are planted, we stake them for stability. This keeps the trunk upright while the roots anchor themselves over the next few months. Then we add a proper layer of mulch to hold moisture, regulate soil temperature, and give everything a clean, finished look. Finally, we secure the trunks with arbor tie, never wire or rope, to support the tree without cutting into the bark. This job is another example of the care and craftsmanship we put into every project here at the Landscape Company of Virginia Beach. Whether it's tree installs, full landscaping projects, lawn maintenance, or even property cleanups, TLC-VB is here to bring quality work and great customer service to every yard we touch. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the crew, and we'll see you on the next project.
How you guys doing? Jeremy here with the Landscape Company. We just finished our 2-tree, 1-shrub install and mulch. If you guys learned something or like what you saw or want to see some of our other jobs, like and subscribe. Peace. Hey, by the way, come check out this job we did 6 months ago. We're gonna drop some pictures to show you what it looked like when we installed it and what it's looking like today.